Hi, it's Alexis from Artists in Business, back with another video to help you turn your online art business into a success. Today, I'm going to show you how you can sell your art online now without a website. Now, I know what you might be thinking. If you're going to sell your art online, you're going to need a website to sell that art, especially in today's online space where anyone and everyone who sells anything sells it from a website. I mean, think of all the brands you love and admire. When you want to buy something from them online, especially those that show up in your Instagram feed, and I know every artist knows what I'm talking about there, you're taken straight to their website. But the truth of the matter is that you're not always going to a full website to make those purchases. And I'm going to break down in this video exactly how to set that up as an artist in business online. Now, this is not to say you shouldn't create a website for your business. You absolutely want to do that. But it's a huge project that requires you to actually know who your audience is and what they want and need from your art in order to create one that speaks to and attracts your ideal buyers. So, to start with, all you actually need are 3 essential tech pieces: an email service provider, a social media platform, and a place for people to buy online. So let me walk you through each one to show you how they can work together to help you sell your art online before you have that website created, and how having these 3 elements in place can help inform what should go on your actual website. In fact, I'll bet you already have at least 2, if not all 3 in place. And if you do, there is a special gift waiting for you at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now, the first piece of tech you want to have in place in order to begin selling online is your social media platform. See, I told you you would already have some of these in place already. You likely have several social media platforms that you're using regularly, perhaps for your art or for your personal life. So the question is, which one do you use for your business? Well, you can find the answer to that very easily once you have a few more details about your audience, which we're going to discuss in the next item. But regardless of which platform you choose as your primary, there are 3 adjustments you want to make sure you have them set up to sell. Number 1, make sure the platform is set up as a business platform and not a personal one. There are major differences between the 2, and I often work with artists who are using their personal platforms for their businesses. But once they adjust to creating a proper business platform, they begin to enable more consistent and predictable sales. For details on how to set up your social platforms for your business, I have a video tutorial on that in the comments below. Number 2, have the bio or about section of your social platform filled out with your signature story info. Your signature story is what sets you apart from every other artistic business, and it helps you hone in on the ideal buyers who are looking for exactly what you have to offer. The more you bring that forward, especially in the online space we're working in today, the more your business will stand out based on your core values, vision, and mission as an artist. For details on how to create and implement your signature story into your art business, see the link to my signature story tutorial in the comments below. And number 3, make sure you have a plan to post proper engagement content for your ideal buyers on your business platform. Now, by proper engagement, I mean the kind of engagement content that's focused on getting to know your audience so that you can offer them the kind of content they both want and need from you. This creates a 2-way conversation that helps you get to know your audience and helps them get to know you and your offers, so that when you're ready to sell, they're ready and waiting to invest in your art for all the right reasons. For details on how to create your proper engagement plan for your social media platform, see the link to my engagement tutorial in the comments below. Now, as an artist in business online, you need to have an email service provider set up in order to send emails to your audience legally. This is not your Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook account. This is an email service provider platform specifically for businesses. such as MailChimp, HubSpot, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign. These kinds of platforms enable you to not only protect the privacy of your audience's email addresses by giving them the chance to opt into your list at will and let you know exactly how they want to receive emails from you, but it also protects your business's privacy from breach of confidence, spammers, and any anonymous hackers. There are hundreds of email service provider platforms to choose from. So to make it easy for you, we've created a list of the top 10 platforms for artists in business based on our personal experience and the preferences of the artists we have worked with. You can find that list linked in the comments below. If you're just starting, one of the more preferred platforms is MailChimp, because they have a free plan that you can use up to 500 contacts and up to 2,500 emails per month. This is a great starting point, but you should refer to that guide to make the best decision for you based on where you are in your business growth. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, I don't even have followers yet on social media, let alone buyers, so how am I going to get email addresses? Or you may be in the position of having sold your art for years offline, but haven't yet tended to put together your email list of buyers and potential buyers. Or you might have an email list that you've never used because you weren't sure about how to set up your provider. Or you felt like you didn't know how to send emails in a way that supports and enhances the lives of your list rather than inundate them with emails they don't care about. Regardless of your position, we've got you covered in our list building tutorial, which covers how to approach creating your email list and email campaigns, whether you have 0 or 1,000 people on your list. That tutorial is linked below as well. And the final piece of tech you want to have set up to begin selling your art online is, drumroll please, a place for people to buy. Now, this is exactly where most artists are thinking, yes, this is exactly why I need a website. But stay with me because I'm about to give you the biggest secret shortcut that most online brands already use. You need just one page in order to enable a person to see what you have for sale, click a button to buy that offer, and put their payment information in to complete the purchase. All of that can be achieved on a single landing page. A landing page is a web page that is focused on one single topic, such as the offer you're selling or an opt-in form for people to join your email list. And that single page does not have to live on a website. It can stand on its own with its own URL. Think about that. Most checkout pages you see from other brands are actually single landing pages that may or may not be hosted by that brand's website. These landing pages can be created easily through various landing page platforms like Leadpages, ClickFunnels, or Convertri. In fact, it's super easy to create your single page with their drag and drop system. No website development is required. Anyone can do it. And most email service providers have their own set of landing page templates you can use as well. So to make this easy for you, I have a list of the top performing landing page platforms in the comments below. Now, these platforms do charge a fee for you to use them. So if you check out the list we provided and can't get there just yet, there is another alternative: the PayPal payment button link. You can create an account in PayPal, create a button that allows specific people to click and check out, and create a URL for that button that you can share on social media and via email. Info on how to configure that is in the comments below as well. So let's recap. You don't need a website to begin selling your art online. You do need 3 pieces of tech: social media, email service provider, and a place for people to buy. Once you have those 3 pieces in place, you'll be in a position to learn who your audience is, what they want and need, and therefore how to construct a website that is powerfully created for your audience. For more information on how to learn about how to know what your audience wants and needs, see the link to that tutorial below as well. What's your most burning question after watching this tutorial? Please share in the comments below so I can be sure to make more videos to answer your specific questions. And to keep up to date with the tutorials I post, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I cannot wait to see you in the next video.